A yacht is dubbed as a super yacht when its size and luxury factor surpass beyond your wildest dreams. When it becomes a palace on water, so to speak, and when these floating extravagances start to house multiples of areas such as swimming pools, cinema rooms, dance floors, and bars where you would assume there to be only one. The most expensive yachts in the world are built with the latest cutting-edge technology and can be customized to satisfy the owner's desires with additions such as a helipad or an upper-deck jacuzzi or swimming pool. The interior can also be customized to match his or her persona and be turned into a completely unique lap of luxury. In this video, we will share with you top luxury yacht in the world. So stay tuned till end of the video and don't miss any of these. But before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Number 7. Dubai. The Dubai is first on our list of mega yachts with price $300 million. Prior to 1996, it was intended for Prince Jeffrey Bolkiah of Brunei, but when the client abruptly terminated the contract in 2001, it was sold to the present owner, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai. It contains a jacuzzi and swimming pool constructed with handcrafted tiles that can accommodate 115 people, a helipad, and an opulent dining room that can accommodate up to 90 guests. In addition to a disco hall, squash courts, a movie theater, and even a submarine, the Dubai boat boasts even more luxurious amenities. Number 6. Motor Yacht A. The Motor Yacht A, constructed by Blum plus Voss and reaching 400 feet in length, is the largest and most distinctively shaped private yacht. Its cost is $440 million. It is rumored that the designer Philip Stark intended for the yacht's shape. This is evident upon first inspection of the Motor Boat A's construction. This superyacht's opulent amenities include a 2,500 square foot master bedroom, a disco hall, and a swimming pool with a glass bottom. Number 5. Topaz. Constructed in Germany for the Abu Dhabi businessman Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the magnificent and sumptuous Topaz is 482 feet in length and costs $527 million. Tim Haywood and Terence Disdale were responsible for the exterior and interior design, respectively, of this mega yacht. This largest private boat has luxurious amenities, including a state-of-the-art gymnasium, a helicopter pad, a swimming pool, cinema room, and conference room. Number 4. Azzam. The luxurious Lursen Azzam is another world-famous yacht. This spectacular yacht is huge and expensive. This 590-foot mega yacht is the world's largest. Its 35,048 kilowatts power output from 2 gas turbines and 2 diesel engines allows it to reach 35 miles per hour, making it the fastest yacht in the world. Azzam also has a missile protection system and bulletproof master bedroom windows. Its cost is $600 million. Number 3. Streets of Monaco. One of the most spectacular super yachts on our list thus far and the first to cross the $1 billion price point. The Streets of Monaco is a concept boat that is still under construction, but when it is finished it will resemble a floating metropolis more than a yacht. It will include several opulent amenities, including a go-kart track, casinos, tennis courts, a helipad, a small waterfall, and even a replica of the Monaco Grand Prix track. It is being constructed to resemble a facsimile of the city of Monaco. Number 2. Eclipse. Eclipse, a yacht owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich, comes in second on our list. This beautiful, expensive yacht is 536 feet long and costs $1.5 billion. It has been given some amazing security features, like a private defense system and bulletproof windows. It also has a unique camera detector that will pick up on any photos being taken of the yacht and shine a light on the cameras to stop them from taking the photo. In addition to the security features, this superyacht has many luxurious features, such as not 1 but 2 swimming pools, 24 guest bedrooms, and even a disco hall. Number 1. History Supreme. With a price tag of $4.8 billion, it is no surprise that it is the most expensive superyacht in the world. But this yacht's price is justified by the fact that it is made of 10,000 kilograms of pure gold and platinum and is 100 feet long. The luxurious changes that designer Stuart Hughes made to this yacht for its owner Robert Knox We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching the video.